Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar and today we are going to talk about picture of the day application. It is a Flatpak application and what it does is it changes your wallpaper on the daily basis and you can select from the four sources to see the images or daily images at the as the Microsoft Bing does this, so you can install it from the FlatHub. The primary requirement is that your distribution has the should have Flatpak installed. If you don't know how to install the Flatpak, please check out my new video on the my YouTube channel. I have recently uploaded a video on how to install Flatpak on any distribution. So now let's go to our Ubuntu machine to see the installation and to see the application, how it looks like and how what it does. Okay. So question is how to install it. You can go to the repo and from here you can manually build it. You can go to your software center, Flatpak software center, and search here for picture of the day. And this is our application. You can click on the install button and you can go to the website, and from here you can copy the command and just paste it in your terminal. Okay, just press Y and it will install on your system. It is very easy. Okay, now we are launching the application and it is fetching the image, and you can see the about page and you can set from here it should change the wallpaper daily or not. Okay, now you can select the source NASA, Bing, or the Wikipedia, and the source they have mentioned like this website. Okay, and you can select any source you want, and the Bing fetches last 7 to 8 images also, and you can change the wallpaper with this button, and this shows the only image, not the information page, and you can get the preferences like where do you want to fetch, or which section you want to select for the images, and you can see the keyboard shortcut from here. And this is all about this application. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.